In this KodeKloud Lab, we'll configure JupyterLab using an existing Python virtual environment and configuration file. We'll inspect the current Jupyter configuration, update the IP address, port, and notebook root directory, and then verify that JupyterLab is accessible on port 8888. We'll also confirm that Jupyter is listening on all network interfaces and using /root/notebooks/ as its root directory. Let's get started. Next, I start JupyterLab using the existing configuration file. However, the command returns an error indicating that the configured path is incorrect. This tells us that there is a problem with the current Jupyter configuration, so we'll inspect the configuration file and identify which setting needs to be corrected. To fix the configuration, I open the Jupyter configuration file in the IDE. I update the server IP to 0.0.0.0, set the port to 8888, and change the root directory to /root/notebooks. These settings allow JupyterLab to listen on all network interfaces, use the required port, and serve notebooks from the correct directory. Next, I verify that the /root/notebooks directory exists using ls-ld. The terminal shows that the directory does not exist, so I create it using mkdir-p/root/notebooks. This ensures that the root directory configured for JupyterLab is available before we start the server. Now I start JupyterLab again using the updated configuration. This time, Jupyter detects that it's being started as the root user and displays a warning that running as root is not recommended. Since this is the lab environment and root access is required here, I restart JupyterLab with the --allow -root option to bypass this warning and allow the server to start. And that completes the JupyterLab configuration. We corrected the configuration, set the server to listen on 0.0.0.0 using port 8888, created the required notebook directory, and successfully started JupyterLab with root access. The environment is now ready to use. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped you, like the video and subscribe for more KodeKloud Lab explanations. See you in the next lab.